Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Principles of Macroeconomics. I'm your professor, Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great week so far and enjoying the course. Seems crazy that we're already more than actually halfway through this class. This week, we're going to be talking about the economics of the public sector, government policies, and taxation. So what we're trying to gain in this week is to really try to understand how government policies affect market equilibrium. So it's one of those things where, the government go in there to make a change in their policy, and then we're going to see how things move on from there. Definitely, many times, the reaction to the market based on what the government does is either negative or positive. And we're going to definitely look at different things on this and look at taxation, kind of supply, demand, and kind of how government policies kind of flow from there. And we definitely have some great chapters to read this week. We have chapters 6 and 8 for the Essentials of Economics book. We got the slides here for you guys. We got an article, a couple articles, and a couple videos for you guys to see on this. The assignments wise, we have a discussion board post as we have every week. Your initial post is due before Wednesday at midnight, and you have your additional responses to others due by Sunday at midnight. We also have a team project, which looks like I probably haven't set that group up, and I need to go ahead and do that, so I'll do that in just a second. We also have essay due Sunday before midnight, as well as short answer questions due by Sunday at midnight as well. If anybody has any questions about any of that, you can definitely go through any of that through email or anything of that nature. Let me see kind of the group situation real quick and see kind of how many people we have in this class. I don't think we have that many, so it's one of those things where I probably will set everybody up in one group. Yeah, that looks like what I'm probably going to do. So everybody's going to be in the same group working together on this group project, so it's going to be one of those things where you're able to go in there and work through all the different items and stuff of that nature. So hopefully that'll be clear to you guys, and definitely ask as many questions as you need to on that, because I understand that sometimes that's not always transparent. But if you need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.